When you're working on a new website or app project, you will hear about two amazing tools that teams use all the time: Figma and Whimsical. A lot of people get confused when they see them because they both give you a blank screen to create things on. But the truth is, they are not competitors. They are designed to do two completely different jobs, and using the right one at the right time can make your project so much better. In this video, we are going to do a simple comparison of Whimsical and Figma so you can understand what each tool is really for. Let's start with Whimsical. The best way to think about Whimsical is like a magical digital whiteboard. It is not designed for creating beautiful finished designs with perfect colors and fonts. It is designed for the messy early stages of thinking and planning out an idea. This is the tool you use for things like brainstorming with mind maps, creating flowcharts to map out how a user will move through your app, and building very simple, low-detail wireframes to figure out the basic layout of your pages. Everything in Whimsical is designed to be incredibly fast and easy. It is about getting your ideas out of your head and onto the screen as quickly as possible, without getting stuck on small details. It is a tool for thinking and planning. Now let's talk about Figma. Figma is like a professional design studio. This is the tool you use after you have already figured out your plan, probably in a tool like Whimsical. The purpose of Figma is to create high-quality, pixel-perfect designs of what your final website or application will actually look like. Figma gives you total control over every single detail, like colors, fonts, spacing, and shadows. You can use it to build interactive prototypes that feel and work just like a real app. It is a very powerful tool and deep platform that is used by professional product designers and teams at some of the biggest companies in the world. It is built for creating the final, polished product that you will eventually hand off to the developers to build. So, which one should you choose? As you can probably see now, you do not have to choose one over the other. They are not enemies, they are teammates. Most professional design teams use both of them as part of their process. They will often start a project in Whimsical to brainstorm all their ideas and create a simple flowchart or wireframe to get the basic structure right. Then, once they have a solid plan that everyone agrees on, they will move on to Figma to create the beautiful, detailed final design. To put it simply, if you need to think, plan, or create a simple diagram, use Whimsical. It is fast and easy. If you need to create a final, detailed visual design or an interactive prototype, use Figma. It is powerful and precise. Understanding when to use each tool will make your creative process much faster and more organized. All right, that's it for this quick comparison. I hope this clears up the difference between Whimsical and Figma for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.